it's Halloween, and we're going to do in Halloween scary things. So we're gonna make some scary things. It is today. I'm gonna make some fimo clay pumpkins. Okay, let's get started. Pumpkin. I have here fimo clay. And I'll make some little bit round, just like this. Gonna measure it up just like if you want a big piece or a small piece. I'm gonna use a little bit less, just like this, because this is pumpkin kind of big. Gonna use it for later. Okay, I have here also white for later. Okay, I'm here. I pressure it up a little bit on the upsides. What I'm gonna do is make some. I wanna make it a pumpkin a mouth because it's Halloween. This pumpkin doesn't want to get eaten or want to use it, so I'm gonna make it a little bit scarier. Just any pumpkin you ever seen. Just like this. This is the mouth I'm gonna use. What I have is this color. When I use it for the leaves. I'm gonna use it later, make some structure on my leaves. You can also see the leaves is more just like a little bit hair on my pumpkin. It was a little bit bald. Each time you're gonna make some little bit different pumpkin. Now you see I put some leaves on my pumpkin. What I'm gonna do is now is want to give some more structure on the leaves. Okay, now make the okay. Let's see. Yep. Watch out for the mouth, because not look for the mouth, it will get close up, and just you don't want to do that. Okay. Give me some structure on my pumpkin. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is now I gave some structure also, and put this little bit on my side. I'm gonna use white to make some teeth on my pumpkin, because this one pumpkin doesn't want to eat, been eaten. I'll give some teeth on my pumpkin. Make some little bit strings. Now you can see give some good looking teeth on a pumpkin and make some structure. Now we're gonna put them in the oven almost 15 minutes. About if you had electric oven, you can do it on 110 degrees for 15 minutes. If you had a gas oven, goes more than about 130 degrees, about 20 minutes. Here are my pumpkins. Okay, they're out of the oven now. I made 2 of them. Look how furious they are. There's one of my pumpkin. Another one has another character. You can see structure. Make some hole here. You can also use for a string. You can put them, hang them or something else, or make some keychains for the Halloween. They're great. Okay, that was it today. Don't forget to subscribe downstairs, thumbs up, and see you in the next video. Bye.